Hi my dear students, my name is Shubhangi Sarunke and now we are going to see the last chapter of highway engineering, drainage and maintenance of road. Till now we have studied about the drainage, definition of drainage, the contained necessity of drainage, the methods of drainage, that is surface drainage and subsurface drainage, and now we are going to see about the maintenance of a highway. The maintenance of the road. The art of upkeeping the road surface in the best possible condition for the excellent traffic function is known as the maintenance of the road pavement. It means that we should maintain the road not only for drainage purpose, but we have to maintain the road for the traffic flow, for excellent traffic flow, and for that we should periodically maintain our road. So that is known as the maintenance of the road. It reduce the petrol consumption and wear and tearing of the vehicle tires, provide the good comfortable to a passenger. If our road is smooth, then obviously it will reduce the more petrol because the vehicle can travel in a constant speed. Not only that, it will not harm the tires and also it will be very comfortable to travel out. Then the necessity of maintenance of the road. The timely and routinely maintenance of the road help in preventing the accident. To provide the safe and convenient movement of passenger and the goods at all the time. To maintain the road in the best possible condition. To enable the traffic to move smoothly and safely. To increase the life of the road. So this all is why we have to maintain our road periodically. Why? Because the movement should be smooth. Not only that, also the maintenance cost should be less because of we maintaining it in a periodical basis. Not only that, the safe and the convenient, if we maintain it like this, then obviously it will increase the life of the road. Then the classification of the maintenance operation. The maintenance operation of the highway are classified as the routine maintenance, special repair and resurfacing. One by one we are going to see it. Routine and the periodic repair. The day-to-day or the routine repair done to the road pavement are known as the routine or periodic repair. Periodic repair are usually carried out for a lower cost road. The day-to-day routine or the periodic repair are generally carried out by a departmental labor. It means that whatever been the repair has been carried out on the WBM road or the earthen road, we have to see that the maintenance should be done day to day because that road doesn't have any binding material. For that we should maintain the road day to day life. Then the special repair. The special repair are carried out to overcome the special problem which may otherwise lead to an payment failure, has known as a special repair. The special repair are usually carried out for a higher class road. The repair are very difficult and require a special attendance for their carrying out. It means that you can carry out, it means that the repair should be carried out at the specific time. That is, for example, if you are considering WBM road, the WBM road, or you are considering a bitumen road, that road should require a repair before the monsoon season, so that if there is any weaker surface or if there is any loosey particles present on the surface, it can be removed and we can resurface it or we can repair the defects before monsoon. So such repairs are known as special repairs. Then the resurfacing. Resurfacing means the process of renewal of the surface dressing of the pavement which is severely damaged are known as resurfacing. This is done in the case of bitumen road. It means that we have to remove the whole surface of the road and then we have to place a new surface on it. That is known as resurfacing. Now the maintenance of WBM road. How we are going to maintain a WBM road? WBM road are damaged rapidly due to a heavy mix traffic and advanced climatic condition. Because of this, WBM road get damaged not only because of the traffic but also because of the climatic condition. Then the WBM surface deteriorate in the following typical way: the formation of the ruts, the formation of potholes, the formation of corrugations, then the revealing and damaging edge. This all is the defects which form in the WBM road. So let's see one by one all the defects in WBM roads. First, the formation of ruts. This type of defects is due to rapid and continuous application by and load on the same spot. The ruts are made by ruts renewal, which consists of clearing and watering the surface, then sacrificing and removing the stone to appropriate rectangular section with the flat bottom and vertical side, filling the section with a fresh metal, finally spreading a 6 mm sand layer. It means that wherever the ruts has been formed, you have to cut that surface in rectangular way. After cutting, you have to clear it out. After clearing, we have to watering out. After watering, we have to see the quantity of the material. After identifying the quantity of material, then we have to fill that fresh material in that place or in the section. After placing the place material, we have to rolling out, then we have to seal out. This is a proper format of repairing any type of defects, especially a rut. Then the formation of potholes. Potholes are formed due to a lack of the binding properties in the binding material, poor quality of the stone, local subgrade failures, and the defects in consolidation. The area to be patching is cut to a rectangular square shape with the vertical sides. This the sequence of operation for laying the patch material is same as in the rut. Even in the porthole, what we see the defects. After seeing the defects, obviously the porthole is of irregular shape. Therefore, first we have to cut in a regular shape, in a rectangular or in a square. Then we have to cut the all the in the vertical direction, smooth it out, water out. After watering, we have to feel that material. After feeling, we have to seal out. Then formation of corrugation. Corrugation means on the road the you can see the waveform structure has been formed. The waveform structure can be caused because of defective rolling. A lack of control in the rolling can be result in corrugation, non-uniform rolling speed, vibration set up by pneumatic roller, pneumatic tires vehicle running at the speed causes the vibration which can be harmonious in the nature and cause the waveness. So this all is a defects where the corrugation can be formed. The vibration set up due to a braking at the location where the constant braking of vehicle is involved are set up in the vehicle. Then use of extensive quality of the binding materials. Extensive binding material at the surface tends to get deposit in the regular waveform. So this is the causes of the waveform. Then the next one is a revealing. Revealing is a phenomena under which the stone get loose and are freely sketched on the surface. It means that the stone will get loose because the lack of the binding properties. The lack of binding properties in the binding material. Then the inadequate consolidation means water is not removed out, or the excessive quality of the binders means quality of the binders is not good, or a binding within good binders and watering the surface can be revealing the tendency. Then the next is a damaging edge. Damaged edge are caused by the lack of the shoulder support. Unless the promoter action is taken out, damage can be progressively travel to a portion of the carriageway. The damaged portion is removed and renewed with the fresh material. Rolling the edges and shouldering should be done simultaneously. It means that the edges we have to smooth out. After smoothing the edges, we have to roll out. After rolling, we have to feel all the cracks which has been formed. By feeling the crack, by sealing it, then you can construct the shoulders. So this is all about your WBM road, the maintenance of our WBM road. In the next video, we are going to see about an bitumen road and cement concrete road.